today's modern age, Apple Watches are becoming less of a luxury item and more of an everyday carry. Given this, there are some great apps on the App Store to help you improve your productivity with your Apple Watch. Hey, what is up guys? My name is Luke and welcome back to another episode of Techno Minute. In today's episode, I'm going to be giving you 5 apps that's going to help you improve your workflow on your Apple Watch. So that being said, let's jump right into the video. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future episodes. Starting off with number 1, we have Chirp. Now, like many of you, Twitter happens to be my favorite social media application. And while I can receive Twitter notifications on the watch, I can't reply or do anything else. Since there's no dedicated Twitter app for the Apple Watch, Chirp fills this gap. Now, Chirp allows you to look at your feed, like and retweet, and you can even look at your own profile as well as direct messages. Now, Chirp is free on the App Store, but there is a premium version that will allow you to unlock features like direct messaging. At number 2, we have Todoist. Now, Todoist is more commonly known for its iOS and Mac companion apps, but I think the app on the Apple Watch is more than useful. Albeit slim, Todoist allows quick access to your to-do list, the ability to reschedule and move your tasks to a different day, and lastly, the ability to mark them as complete. Now, I know this app can't do a lot of things on the watch side, but this being said, I think the simplicity makes tackling tasks throughout the day a little smoother. For number 3, we have OTPOff. Now, this is a 2-factor authentication app and you will have to download this for the iPhone to get it to work. However, once it's downloaded, you can set up your 2-factor authentication codes and sync it to the iCloud. Now, my absolute favorite thing about this app is the ability to put it as a complication for quick and easy access on the Apple Watch. One of my biggest frustrations with other 2-factor apps was that I had to physically find the app on the Apple Watch and then open it up. But with OTP, it's just right on the complication, so there's no need to go searching for it. So sitting at number 4 is Pillow. Now, I have talked about the Pillow application before in a collaboration video, which I'll leave in the link card above, but basically Pillow is a sleep tracking app. Now, on the watch side of things, Pillow is able to track your heart rate as well as give you way more accurate reports of what your sleep looked like throughout the night because it's tracking directly your heart rate on your wrist. All you have to do is wear it to bed and you're set. Now, for Pillow, there is a free version and a premium version. The premium version is going to unlock a few more features that are not included in the Pillow version, but you don't really need it for our use cases. Lastly, at number 5, we have Pong. Now, this isn't really a useful app for productivity, but I found it incredibly fun and enjoyable. Pong is, as I'm sure you were thinking, an Apple Watch game styled after the original arcade game Pong. You can hit the puck back and forth using the digital crown and even change the difficulty. What's really cool about Pong is that you can even set it as a watch face if you set the app to wake on raise. I find this particularly useful in class when I am just bored out of my mind, but I still want to keep awake. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a like and consider subscribing. It really helps out the channel. Also, let me know what your favorite app was down in the comments below. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of March, so anything that you could do to help would be greatly appreciated. And as always, until next time, peace.